Hey team, so today I'm going to take a couple of minutes to give you the grand tour of Southside's implementation of Schoology so that you can see a few things and start to get excited about all of the options. Some of my favorite pieces are, first, resources saves my life time and time again. What you may notice is that it saves forever, so I still have items from 2017, and truth be told, if you looked far enough back, I actually still have things from 2014 and 2015 when I was using Schoology as a classroom teacher at Sharpstown. So this is helpful in that I can create folders and then share them with multiple people, and then within each folder I can build out whatever materials I want, and then whoever I've shared that folder with always has access to it. So when we did telepath writing prompts, I was able to build those out here, and then all the teachers have to do is come and copy it to their course. So it's a very quick way to ensure alignment across contents or across grade levels in terms of the structure of assignments, because the settings are saved as they transition. So for example, this writing prompt, I have this set up how I want it. And when the teacher saves it to their course, all of those remain within that setup. Also in resources, you can have groups, and in your resource groups, which this is not something I've used a ton of times, but this is a way where you can keep your resources isolated to a specific group of people. So this is great for like content team collaboration, or we use this a lot as like PLS, or like on the English 1 team at Sharpstown, this was something that was super helpful. All right, so whenever teachers want to go to their courses, they have courses, groups, and resources. Teachers will not have the tools tab. So they come to courses and they'll see these tiles. For most admin, you're going to be enrolled in too many courses to see here. So you just click My Courses, and this will take you to a list. It's pretty straightforward, easy to scroll through. You'll have your current courses, which means that they are live. We are in this grading period, but you'll also have your archived courses here. And this just means that like you still have access to every course you've ever been a part of, unless like they change that on the back end where they would put like a time limit on it. But currently you can see all the things. Another great thing, if your teachers are like my teachers, they have occasionally potentially accidentally deleted a course, but that's fine, because you can go right here to the deleted courses and you have those that you can reactivate. And it's easy. Like everything pops back, everything is repopulated, nothing's lost. So let me show you our staffed in. So in courses, we use our staffed in for pretty much where we're going to house like everything for our teachers. So down here, we're in section 2 because we're in year 2. And you'll notice right off the bat, we have this best practices discussion to keep people talking. And then you'll notice the DOA's office is much cuter than the principal's office, clearly. But these are like clickable. So these are our Bitmoji classrooms that we kind of just are too competitive for our own good. But it's linked to like all of the different things. And so people can come click and they can see, they can go straight to the things. So we have Telpass, all of the different folders and things that people are going to use frequently. We have our instructional resources, and then we keep everything for professional development here. So anytime a teacher's like, what did we talk about on that day 6 months ago when we did training on MAP, they can come back to this folder and it's all there. So these are a few of my favorite things about Schoology. There's also badges, mastery, which I posted a video for that. Workload planning is super helpful, but it's really just a quick and easy little tour for you guys. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know.